fam, welcome back to our channel. Your boy Mochi's here.
And your girl Shishi. And today we got Domino's pizza. Ooh. Yummy.
Yummy.
And let me tell you what type of pizza we got. All thanks to Big Guy Appetites, guys.
Yes.
AKA Nate Boo Boo. So this one is custom made. And it is handmade pan pizza. Extra garlic white sauce. Diced tomatoes and I think that's it. Yeah. And they forgot my spicy sauce. So we did get the garlic dipping sauce to go with it. Because he recommended this sauce, you guys. To dip the crust and all that inside of it. Yeah. I mean, I've tried this. I pretty much like it. They gave us a lot of ranch. Now, I got... This one is a regular pepperoni with provolone cheese and I believe mozzarella. And we got some barbecue wings.
Yummy.
Even though that's not the ones I wanted.
And remember, you guys, every video we have what? Shout-outs.
Yes. So stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for those, you guys.
Yep. And it's not right away because we want to taste these out. Yummy.
Thank you, Lord, for this food.
Sorry. Thank you, Lord, for this delicious food.
Let me grab your piece.
Oh, it looks so cheesy.
Okay.
Okay. Should I wait for you?
Yeah, we can take it by at the same time.
All right. And let's cheers. 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 This is for you. Hold on. I want to show you guys up close and personal. Sorry about my nails. They look jacked up. But look. Oh, look at that steam. Cheesiness.
Careful.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Here's the bite. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Wow.
Get the out of here.
That's delicious, guys. Now I'm going to try this with the garlic sauce that he recommended.
I'm trying that right now.
Wow, Nate. Thank you so much for this recommendation. Because he made a video today about it, you guys. And I was like, oh my God, we got to try this. Well, we added chicken to ours. Good. Such a great idea. Thank you. Thank you, Nate. Thank you, Boo Boo.
Oh, Nate, it came in the right box, in the black box.
I hate when they mess up our orders, huh?
Yeah, I hate that.
They kind of messed up with our sauces. Because I ordered 1 ranch and 2 of these. Or 1 of these. And a hot sauce for me. The kicker sauce. They gave us 3 ranches. And, oh, go ahead. 3 ranches and 2 garlic. Annoying, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Excuse me. They didn't give me my kicker sauce, you guys. This is delicious. I should put a little hot sauce on here. But it's good the way it is, too. I guess I'll try one of these wings. Even though I want it spicy. But he always does what I want. It's about time I do what he wants with the food. Because he always has to put up with spicy wings because of me. So I guess this time we'll do the barbecue wings for him.
They're good.
They put a bunch of sauce in here, you guys, and that's the way I like it. I'm in heaven. Have you guys ever had this pizza, or what's your favorite custom made pizza? I was just going to ask
that again. You always take the words out of my mouth.
I know, because I'm a psychic.
Good.
Very delicious. This is a delicious dinner tonight. You guys, Domino's, I literally am one of their favorite customers. Mm. They have all my orders down. This is like a different order. But they're like, they have the same orders. Like, do you want the usual? And then this time I'm like, no. And here's the regular pepperoni. And it has 2 different kinds of cheeses on it. Provolone and mozzarella. An extra sauce. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Good.
I don't really like to lick my fingers that much, but
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have nothing against it or anything because I know a lot of people do it. But I'm saying, like, me personally, I don't do it. But when it's so good, I forget, and I'm just like, especially when it's like barbecue. Like, you know, you get barbecue on your fingers, and it's so good. I'm digging this garlic sauce.
This is better actually than this one.
This is what?
That pizza is better than this one.
Get more.
Huh.
Mm.
I am, but I already bit into this. The munchies dance.
The bread is really good.
This is bomb because it's handmade.
Hand tossed, right?
Handmade pan pizza.
Let's do the shout outs real quick, you guys.
Yes, guys. The first shout out, obviously, our good friend, Big Guy Appetite, you guys. Big Guy Appetite. We want to get him to 1,000, you guys. So please go to his channel, show him some love, show him some support. Let him know that we sent you.
We need at least 20, 30, 40, 50, or 100 people from
Yes.
our family to go over there and show him some love, you guys.
Show him some love, you guys, because he is such a sweetheart.
Yes, and he's wonderful.
He does also mukbangs, you guys. Lives. He's so funny. Reviews, everything, you guys. Check him out. Such a great personality, too. Okay? We love you, Nate Boo Boo.
The first video you guys need to go check out is this Domino's pizza. All right? But make sure you guys comment and you guys leave a big like, right?
And the second person is...
We're doing 2 shout outs.
We're doing 3 shout outs.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 2 are for 2 channels and 1 for 1 supporter. Now, the second one, he asked us to shout him out. He's been showing us a lot of love, and we want to show him the love back. So...
Rock with Rob.
Rock with Rob, okay?
Yep.
Please go to his channel, show him some love, let him know we sent you, you guys.
Yep.
He does karaoke and he does mukbangs, okay? Awesome channel.
Go check it out, you guys.
Yes. Now, this other person is an awesome supporter, okay? Oh my god, I got to burp. Why does this always gotta happen to me? Fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Why does this happen when we're doing the shout outs? Oh my god. Oh my god. We're so sorry. Don't mean to be disrespectful, but it's hard to hold those puppies in.
Puppies? You said puppies?
Yeah. So this last shout out is special, okay? She has been such a sweetheart to us. She's always been in our lives. She's always showing love. And she was one of our contest winners. She's so awesome.
Amazing person,
yes.
you guys. Wonderful.
Big shout out to Janelle Begay, you guys. One of my native sisters, Janelle Begay.
Yes.
She's my fellow native sister.
We love you, girl.
We love you, and you guys want to show her some love, please go do that. Okay? And I think I got to burp again. Oh my god.
That sounded weird.
That sounded hella weird. So, I don't know if you want to continue, because it's already...
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
You need one more, or you're done?
No, I'm not done, but we have a limit. Huh?
11.
Oh. Okay, I guess I'll eat. They didn't cut this. What the hell?
There's a little piece right there.
Yeah. He's like, take the little piece, okay? And save me the big piece. Okay, cheers. It's still hot, too. Look.
One more of these.
Close up on that, guys. Go. Get your arm out of my way. Look at that. Oh, my God. We're always, like, bumping into each other. Slap some tapatio on this. Slap some tapatio on this. I ran out of sriracha. I'm gonna have to buy that tomorrow. I'm gonna go shopping. Again, that's the thing about Christmas. Shopping, shopping, shopping every week. Maybe like 2 or 3 times a week. And it's annoying. I know I always say I like shopping, but around Christmas time, no. Too many lines, too much traffic, no parking. It's a pain in the ass.
Okay, you guys. Okay, so we love you guys so much, like always.
Of course, we love you guys.
You want to add anything before we go?
Another shout out, not shout out, but I want to say happy birthday again to my girl, Vanessa Espinoza.
Yes, happy birthday,
again,
girl. Hope you enjoyed your day.
Yeah, we hope you had a great day. Happy birthday, girl.
We love you guys, as always.
We're
Monchis and Shishi, signing out.
We love you.